here are 5 reasons why mastering manual mode is a game changer. Some scenes are well lit and are easy to shoot, and even cameras on automatic settings will do a good job. But sometimes it gets a little bit more difficult. Manual exposing a camera gives me better results in difficult lighting situations. For instance, high dynamic scenes, when there is a lot of contrast between highlights and shadows. I don't want to depend on my camera making the decisions for me. Sometimes I want to underexpose some parts of the image to create a silhouette out of landscape and people. In other cases, it's about focusing. Keeping the subject in autofocus all the time works great, but sometimes I just want to drift into focus and take manual focus controls. And then there is mastering the depth of field, the so-called blurry background, giving more attention to my talent. I want to use slow motion to emphasize certain feelings. But sometimes it's about consistency throughout the whole scene. By adding warmth to the color temperature, I can maintain an even image to match my outdoor shots with my indoor shots. Or I can go the opposite way and add more blue into my image by setting a white balance in a more cooler tone.